Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to get the browser name, browser version, platform version, and print that in the Eclipse console when we are running the automation using Selenium Java. Okay, so I already opened the Eclipse and created a Java class. Here I added the browser code for launching the Chrome browser. I added the code inside the main method. Okay, so you can also try this. After this, I'm going to cast remote WebDriver to driver, then only we can get the capabilities. So I am currently trying in Selenium 4 remote WebDriver. Okay, so this is the one. I need to cast this remote WebDriver to driver. So in order to do that, you need to do like this. So after this, if you mouse over, you can import it. So in order to import, you need to add dot get capabilities. Okay, so if you go and see in the top, it will be automatically added. Okay, so you need to cast remote WebDriver to the driver. Then if you are typing dot get capabilities, it will automatically add in the top. If you are not able to add automatically, you can also write this particular import. Okay, so without this, you will not be able to get the browser name versions. So from this particular method only we are going to get. Okay, so you can also type if it is not getting added automatically. Okay, so after this I need to write, we can have cabs as the name for this. If you mouse over on the error, you will be getting create local variable. Click on that, you will be getting capabilities. Okay, so now cabs dot get, we have different options to get name version. So we will try one by one. Okay, so here first we will try to print the platform name. Okay, get platform name. So now this will print the platform name. First we will try, if it is not printing we will try some other option. I need to add, if you type this out and click on return or enter, you will be getting system out.println. Okay, so inside that you cut and paste this one inside. So we can write platform name. Okay, so this will print the platform name. Okay, I will write driver.quit to close the browser. Okay, so first we will try this and see how it is going. These are the previously tried ones. Okay, so I not yet ran this one. Now I am running by clicking on run as Java application. So here you see the Chrome driver got open. So the browser got open and it found this particular platform name as Mac. Okay, currently I'm running in Mac OS only, so it printed that. Okay, so what we can do is, in order to know whether that is opening or not, we can write driver dot open some URL. Okay, I will open google.com co.in. Okay, I will open this URL. Now you can see the browser getting open. Okay, so it opened, and after that we got this one. Even without opening this URL also, it is possible to print it. I added this code for just to understand. Okay, so it is opening, we can run some automation, and after that we can print, or even we can print in the before loading the URL itself. That is also possible. Okay, so just for understanding and browser getting, even without opening this also, it is possible for us to print. Okay, so now we print the platform name. Now what we can do is, I will copy the same code, and here we need to do some small alteration. We are going to get the same, going to use the same method for getting the browser name and version. Okay, here I change to browser name, and when you are seeing get browser, the first option. Okay, so this will print the browser name. So now addition to this, we will also try to print browser version. Okay, so currently we are opening Chrome, so it should be printing Chrome and the version of that, whatever that is using. Get browser version. Okay, so the first one will print platform name, the second one will print browser name, and the third one will print the browser version. Okay, so currently we are using 4.14.1. Okay, so we are using Selenium 4. So if you are using some other different version, try to upgrade to Selenium 4 and you can try this. Okay, so in the previous version it will be somewhat different. We have a different methods in that, so try this in Selenium 4. Okay, so now we can run this. So when I am running, it is going to open the URL. After that, it is printing Chrome and the browser version. Okay, so if you are having a different browser version or name or platform name, if it is Windows, it will be printing Windows and Chrome and whatever the version you are going to have. So based on the platform and the browser name version, it will be printing it. Okay, so this will be useful when you are doing multiple runs in different versions. So this will be very useful. Okay, you can understand like in which version it is getting run and in which platform it is getting run when you are sending to multiple platform or multiple browser. So like some combination like Windows plus Chrome you are running, and you have some different version like 122 you are running. So here in Mac also you are running Chrome, and you are going to have the same version, and it can be in anything. Okay, so in Mac also you may run in latest version, and you may also run in some other older version. Okay, Ventura or maybe Sonoma. Okay, whatever it is, Windows 11 you will be running. So sometimes you will be running in previous versions 10, or you may be running in different combination like something like Edge. Okay, or maybe Firefox. Anything. Okay, so in order to identify which version you are running, easily we can identify using this, and you can use this data for printing in reports. Okay, I hope this will be useful for you when you are doing the reporting. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you.